at the car place. Check out a 76 Vega pulled in. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. So, been coming over here to dialysis, every other day for, I don't know how long now. Seems like forever. But past couple weeks, the car has been kind of lurching. When I first start going. Then when I get on the interstate, I can only get up to 40 miles an hour, and it's like it doesn't want to shift. So, made an appointment to the car place. Took us about a week to get in there, and so we take it to the tranny place first. And luckily, it wasn't the tranny. The guy hooked up the little diagnostic thing, and I guess it was the EGR valve and the catalytic converter. So go back to the Omaha car care place to have the stuff fixed, and it ended up being $1,302.64. And the guy's like, "Oh, it's a big number. It's a hard number." Fucking, oh man, it's a real hard number. $1,300. I've only had $1,300 in my life like a couple times. I'm a poor broke motherfucker. But man, got all that done, and the car's running fine again. It's better than getting a new car or being without a car, I guess. But man, $1,300. That's a lot. For my broke ass. But anyway, spent $6 at the thrift store here. Got a couple goodies. I'll put them at the end of the video. Here's the thrift store. It's the same one with the food pantry. But I don't know, we can't go to the food pantry because we live in Nebraska and this is Iowa, so yeah, go figure. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Boba Fett Christmas ornament from 1998. There's too much sun there. Looks pretty cool though. 1935 Monopoly. It was only $2. Look at those wooden houses, wooden hotels. The only thing missing are the dice and the board. But I couldn't pass it up. Used to play Monopoly all the time, but this is the original 1935 version. And a Disney record book. I used to have these when I was little. This one's from 1971. I don't know if that's focusing on it or not. There's some crazy titles there. Yeah, pretty cool though.